How to show your temperature on Snapchat. Open the Snapchat app and take a snap or upload one from your camera roll by tapping the gallery icon below the shutter. Once your snap is ready, tap the sticker icon. It looks like a square with a folded corner. From the sticker menu, you should see a temperature sticker pop up showing the current temperature in your area. Tap on it to add it to your snap. You can drag it around, resize it with two fingers, or tap it to change between Fahrenheit and Celsius. If you don't see the temperature sticker, make sure your location services are turned on for Snapchat. Once you have added the temperature sticker and positioned it how you like, you can send it to friends, post it to your story, or save it to memories like any normal snap. And that's it. If this video was helpful, please subscribe to the channel to get more helpful tutorials.